Hello WordPress users, are you sick of the new WordPress Block Editor? All you have to do is head over to your plugins, add new, and search for Classic Editor, and then install this right here, Classic Editor, 5-star rating, 5 million active installations. No wonder so many people prefer the old Classic Editor over the new one. Okay, once it's done installing, click on Activate. And that's all there is to it. Plugin is now activated. When you create a new post, it's automatically in the old Classic Editor style right here. This is the new block editor, and this is the old Classic Editor from WordPress. And that's how you switch it back. You need to install this Classic Editor plugin. Okay, I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tips and tricks and tutorials on WordPress and marketing. Thanks again, and happy blogging.